What's going on, everybody? We're out here. Moneymaker last weekend didn't really go very well, so I decided not to post the vlog. But we're back on the top this weekend. A lot of cars here. Kind of hot though. Not too bad. Pretty perfect weather. Yeah, other than that, great. Everybody, it's Sunday. Just left the racetrack. It's been like on and off raining all day. Canceled about 8:30 ish this morning. Yeah, yesterday it was, made it to 4th round. Should have dialed up one. I don't know, it was hard to tell. The weather is kind of goofy, but it is what it is. So then we all decided to drive to Burger King in my car, which if you don't know what my car is, it's a Dodge Nitro, which is pretty much a Jeep Liberty. So it's not very big, but I'm pretty sure we had 7 people in here, and that's pretty much the limit for a Dodge Nitro. There was no more room for anything. So yeah, here's some interesting videos of how that night went, so enjoy.
Do you have any other dessert? Hershey Sundae pie? We got cheesecake?
I want to. What's this? Already ordered, bro. Shake machine sound. My man.
This guy slaps, bro. Look at this.
This is a clean Burger King, I ain't gonna lie. If you want your oil change, I can do it for you, but
Hey, we need that.
I don't know about fucking...
We should get another couple. Welcome. This is Dodge Technology. Rock.
You mind if I crank her over, Jared?
Go for it, buddy.
Ideal.
Hope you guys enjoyed that Burger King experience. First time it's ever done that. The old Gale here. Kind of freaked me out, not gonna lie. But master mechanic bonehead Tyler Nelkin said we need to just flush out the radiator and then it should be good to go. So I'll take his word and we're gonna flush out the radiator soon. But thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and coming at you next week. Big Father's Day weekend, 1,500 guaranteed both days. So tune in next week.